kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to do a very typical tapa from the south of Spain, and it's called papas aliñadas. In English is dressing potatoes. That is something that you can do a day before to have a tapa, to be accompanied with tuna or with eggs. So let's go to start. We will need 4 medium russet or Idaho potatoes, 1 bunch of green onions diced, 1 bunch of fresh parsley diced, 6 tablespoons of a good extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of sherry or red wine vinegar, and some salt. We start washing our potatoes in running water. We fill the pot with water for boiling them, and then we add some salt and put it in medium heat. Now we start cleaning our green onions. We remove the bottom, chop the bottom, and then remove as much as layers of the top you can. And then dry them and start chopping them, how you see. We do the same with the fresh parsley. We wash it, we dry it very well, and start chopping it in small pieces. Now we start to do our vinaigrette. In Spain, the vinaigrette is always, how I do it, is 3 parts of the extra virgin olive oil for 1 part of sherry vinegar or red wine vinegar. Always buy a very good vinegar when you do that vinaigrette. Use a mini whisk or a fork, to mix all the ingredients of the vinaigrette. We have to check that our potatoes are done. I use a toothpick, or you can even use a fork or knife, and to check, when it goes smooth, and then drain it. When the potatoes get a little bit cold, what we do is started to peel all of them and just put it in a bowl. When the potatoes are cold, I start, to slice them, and just, when you make a potato salad, and just slice all of them, and then I started to cut them in pieces that are more or less, they don't have to be equal, all of them, but, just to make it easy to eat when when all the salad is done. I put all the squares or all the potatoes that I'm cutting in a bowl where I'm going to mix everything, all the rest of the ingredient for this salad. Now that I have all the potatoes in my bowl, I'm going to start adding all the ingredients. I start to put a little bit of salt, and then, all the ingredients like the green onions and the parsley, I put it in, in a little bit by a little bit. So I know what else do I need, and I'm mixing all the ingredients. I whisk again the vinaigrette before putting it, and I put a little bit. And, don't dump all the vinaigrette and all the ingredient at the same time. Go step by step, so we add it more as needed. I add more vinaigrette. The potatoes tend to absorb all the oil, so I prefer to do it, for a little bit. Don't dump it, all of them. Okay, so how you see that tapas have been really easy to make, and my recommendation is to use a really good olive oil and vinegar, and then when you mix it, I put it in the refrigerator. That is ready to eat. You can add hard boiling eggs, you can add tuna, olive oil tuna, in chunk, put it there, and you make a wonderful salad. So let's start it. Right. So now this, you see that the oil have been absorbed. Always I would like to have, tiny thing, and I'm going to try it. Wonderful. That you can take it to your office That is really nice. It's tasty, it's simple to make, and I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.